Abia, a free Mrashebedwania or war Benshia South. So they are decided to PURC for Monim set and Kabaya and Kamunchin train. A year increment and Ansia Modebai or electricity must electricity for Mono my and she say and man who say, what would this page electricity kakra by 14.75 no. Also Sunday service electricity for the Mayan. Any ama ba ku mienu bi ntino nka mo ntwentwe so wakotu mujumadi a mudie PRC Act 1997 Act 538 no say ma mo kwan nanso was section 3D no so ma mo kwan say mo protect yeni ECG ewo twaka no na say mo protect ECG na yen de moja yen ejeje mu na omudi empabro anope na roma krata e monsaka
bacho de bi mizan ka krata dia sa
munya krata bia o maso e ho sa
bacho de bi
eni na yiro Brasa bejani no de krata e abase I me hu se wa copy PURC or the bia koma PURC no wa copy Minister of Energy. Then then abo we kasama for monsan kan yi.
Well, Misan can be biasa. I just me check your Chief Executive's office.
Okay.
Misan can say.
Name the other two journey. Is it possible somebody must suspend the bisa?
Pacho, suspension part there. I just say the board of the commission. On my team, your master can say yes, suspended as a man, yes, suspended.
Okay.
Now, acting to send your kind is to make sure that you protect both the consumer and the service provider.
That's right.
The woman said every 3 months, quarter piano, you adjust the tariff. No, a bit in your conform, a bit in your cost, and I said the other no, a better. Now, yeah, adjustment no, at the end of the quarter now. Yeah, it be over recovery and under recovery.
Okay.
And the over recovery no HSA. On the last tariff now, you sue 15.69 cedis to the dollar. And I use my tariff no.
Okay.
Now inflation so you sue be to say 22.4%.
That's
and I say no. My friend example.
Dollar.
Ghana cedi to the dollar no.
I saw
that 12.3 cedis.
Yeah, 12.3.
And our inflation is about 21.4.
That's right.
Into your monitor weighing in at the end of the period, no, over the 3 months, no, for averages, na averages, no, and abema say dia, yebenya over recovery, not just the idea my utilities, no, a doors to Kenya, also omunya. Then we give it back to consumers in the form of a reduction in tariffs.
Okay.
It is at the end of the period, you better start calculations, and the ebefima banu, and they are back to consumers.
That is for the time being there. More monitor system. No, I hear components. I bet me I'm a matis or an answer or some PGM. Okay. All right. Meda Siano pay what you out there, my now. Yano, I pay. I been see you are sending Saka. Why? Meda CP. Eric Ofiobute, Director of Research and Corporate Affairs, PRC. Na Yellow Train Comono. I don't pay any common Pumudinho. Future life, I share any way. Ya watching Yadom at Nasi. Na and some power. If you are, a active point for so you say, and one uncommon you bedi. Onipa Nansea me say eha me kakrabi. Where the be on me to pronounce it? I was shocked. Say, why you careful at home? There are some words. F none buying. S none buying. Ubi or kasa out she when you are innocent. Go you cry. Yeah, come.
Yes, and I no pay the radia says so that for a chain. Or don't to phone say, ye need the radia, Mama Money, no money, a would see a woman. We may be, who be there, any funny one. me kan borofo de anango nim me kan ni twi nse wote ya umpa wukurum kasa umpa wukurum kasa enwom wo ha wase asase nyina mumose ma awurade na mumfa anigye ensom awurade ye de anigye na ese som awurade na ni nyina ye se wapom de ne ho nyina so enu nti ye kan anigye a onka ho ye kan anigye a onka ho wapom de ne entimi nyina so ntia efiri se woje ho ba bia enye woda ya wo sori anopai utumi se ne ma nkoyi woda no wo fa ha eye wo ya wodo na fa ha eye wo ya wo si fomo a eye wo ya wo si titiriti ne ma ben ha wododo we na ye kan fo aduane wo aso ba ko ma wo ye friend future life dache wonkwa na wo bo ho ban eye wo future eye wo life dache wonkwa na wo bo ho ban na no de enyi obi na ebo ama wo na abebu sa future life eye den eye natural food supplement ye mfansi jaso tie ni ye aduane no eye natural food supplement ye mfansi jaso eye aduane ana wudie yen yano awie dada nti sa won saka odia ne se wudi ensuo efra na wudie na bra wudie no o men na epam yade bebre efre wo ho wudi die no o men nti eye 23 vitamins and minerals 19 amino acids omega 3 selenium modular inulin dietary fiber high in protein and ye die gu aduane ba kom se didi na me ne mpam yade emfre ho na wo bre dodo aduane me se aduane na wudie enya aduro na wo nom aduane na wudie nti anopai wutimi dibi se wa no pa aduane o breakfast awia na wadi ukuro aduane anwumre na wadi future life wo koda mesa kire obi bofoforo abanom a wo de beda na ne wunyane a ugina kire ben ti adan na wo tenase na wantimi any future life enam ne ma ewo mu nti ena de bia me kam forma oba bia onyem so oba wafa ye funa onyem a aduane yesese wudi akopem so oba wo eye future life ne bo onye den ti mu obi mu abem di future life kopem se oba wo na CS na do so do CS no adoso senya wa na wo se yentwa wode a na se wudi future life a se be ye CS de doctor no kora magina chinyi me sa ka akire wo senya wa na wa ma ho se yentwa wode a nam se wudi future life kopem se wo bo wo a be ye dre efiri se niema ewo mu no doctor no akora ogina woni mo hia bi eye aduane na wodie aduane ekura 23 vitamins and minerals aduane amino acids ewo mu ye 19 enu ntime kamfo aduane papa ba ko ama na future life na ya hodo na de American forma won se wo de ekọ ne koto original no sa wonyem a wo ba okọ school susufa niema ehye ne bagim me ka say last week na me na mo amitie no Omanhene ka bibisa nkura no yebem ya nom drink sa ye de akura bi bai wo di 7 years anopa wo check ni sugar 13 akura no 7 years o ni sugar 13 efisi yajeje no so a ma akura no wasai obeda kura na drink tuana no en wonom en akura we obeduru 15 esa na ajinsam enu nti me kanfo ama wo say ma wo ba no any future life oba no ye future life mano for go small flaxing famano onamwa no onom opanyimu so namwa na wo nom efiri say ye aduane ya wudi a senye ka accident pa see ye betwere say gone too soon call to glory me hunu bi sada na masa so da wapom de hu hiame every day my kwanse ye moyade ye bi adin na emo de me kire on say fruit nim kosi unase wo de ha wo bia e fruit nim kosi unase de ha wo bia uhia se udidi ye na aduane nwanwaso ba ko abedie eye future life na no free hɔ a ye repair utie brofo kasa no a kyese ebesiesie repair no ebesiesie enso ye aduane de hawo waposo kotodwa ne usisi no a gregro na rewe no a kasa etwi kasa no uhia repair ebesiesie esesiesie onipadua no na wo bre o uchim na wo chia enu tese wa hwe ya Omanhene de aya ahwe me wagana nti yebeka Ghana asem nko a sesi a meka se PK ntine ne na ya wo hwe ne na ntimi nye straight da Ghana ni bia wo hunu bia wo setene wonan otene wonan na a chiase ya kakra ne nan yes so wo de na tre ani nchiranka awurade so de na tre na sa de tie ne se ye de ensasi ye kotodwo so saa ye tenase a ye de ensasi ye kotodwe ye sori a ye de ensasi ye kotodwe mesesa wo tenase a wo de ensasi wo kotodwe wo sori a wo de ensasi wo kotodwe ena Nyankopon bo kotodwe yi eye kasa ni gregre ni nsuo bi na wode ego ho wa pia me se nsuo ni nyina asa nti gregre ni twi kasa yi gregre ni twi kasa yi na wo sori a na noa na me kotodwe yi na me kotodwe me ma bonus we de ye free wonko ba bia ye de be ma multi-million dollar tip fa che wo mu se we de eye pem sa ache de amede ama we emfa wonsa nsi kotodwe so nsori ewu ena emfa nsa wonsa ensi kotodwe so entrase wodi uhwe obi aba ho aya ahwe wo mena konwa otenase a ne nsasi ni kotodwe o sori a ne nsasi ni kotodwe o sori ya so na kotodwe ya me ya na wo so akonwa no na wotenase a eyeyie enu ntibra na ma repair food visa ne ma bi achia wa woto no wachia wa woto no sisi achia wa woto no ne ma how bra na me ma repair food ne ntimi siesie de ase ni nyina wenu de enye wenye painkiller na wo ba no mo da be wo ba num painkiller no sa enko me na me ka kire wo wa no so wudi adanse se de doctor tia wo kan ye no kore asama me ka kire wo no eye no kore se painkiller no abanom no wo ba nom a enko me ko ye ma me bi ho kwasi adai na me ni di nkoma no wasi ye misisi ni me kotodwai para na ma wi mienu a me dia asisi a no yi para kire me se eh sa we na wo wie da be wo hia repair food wasi ya no so ne dia me se bra me hoi na me nkire wo sa na me kire wo kwan se wo so bra na no firi ho a ne ya ba beauty food ahofe aduane yes ahofe yes so ahofe no se obi abehu so ahofe a efiri wo mu beauty come from within efiri wo mu no a ye fe no na e ma abontene no so aye fe na sa woni ma na ache aye basa wo de aye ahwe won sa achi apompono guso abobo apo ntimi nsane bra na me ma wo beauty food wanim no a aye dankate sani aye na no ye beto ye wo mu ka no utimi se wanim anyiri ache wo mfie wanim anyiri no obi aso behu wo a odi ka hu wanim ansa na afei sani adamfo ni hia no wo hia no schoolmate na say eh kwaku wo hu no a eh kwaku na dan wasi adan sai wasi untimi nka de ososo no enzozo wo hwe ye no na che se nanim anyina gani mfie emmoa wo bra na ye ma beauty food me say eduru mene bia na enuanom maanom ne ye maamenom wo mde se mena to nsuo mne yesra ya hunu da se e wo side effect ya hunu da na bra ye hunu ye no na age nsemu enei me ka kire wo se nsra na yesra obi pon asore ko peso hage wa hello bo huna se na nimri nyina atu aka wata adem ukofi a wo nsem nyina ye basa enye no bi na babo awo bra na mo aduane papa ba akuni aduane e very beautiful your friend beauty food and won fed yane e be reduce wrinkles in 28 days wonim na apompono guso na ye dankate na abobo apono me ma woduane amuadie ma sane na obohu se wo wedie na ye sa akora foforo nsa ho sa na me ka kire wo uhia repair uhia beauty na wiye no kora na wo kwa uhia life tonic. Okay. Dudo no uhia life tonic dudo no eno na me ka kire wo ya chopito ma mu ba bia eno te se wo ba Freya ni enchiraw Accra ye Ghana Telecom University opposite.
That's right.
Ubenya future life e wo ho Cars Estate fie ho a abeka janhye de no na afei ya to apete konongo sunwane ya say Ghana Abia tie number no ne Freya ni enchiraw se na be ya wo nso ubenya bie enei pankoro no he ya akra no Shalom maternity antema afwa wasa bie store foforo pankoro no dwom ha ko na kwaji future life aso ye kase no eye sofo life alignment ye adwuma adwoda edikosi memene da no pa no nwotwe fa na yapon nwumire no nsia wapom de hia ye nti da bia ye wo ho fra yen na ye nkyiraw se ne ba ya benya aduane adie 0246 01 another 01 50 0246 01 50 0246 future life here aduane yankasa
Ewrade nhyira mo yankwa ya wachi na motene kano na ene jochen komo na ye be kan yese ho asem active point dental clinic na ye nhye ni nyina ne se onipa da sani o se obo o se ho ban wonu mu kura betima banka wo se wan hwe ni ya ano pay my brand here na pop to say
Yakopa na me ho ya
but you won na ti no muni mudi
me need someone cancer jeche
aha your friend or Samuel in cancer jeche and one to your casa Sam and asa Samia Ghana had the udino akumasi out do mutai be twa so the friend of mine him so mine and I don't know any ekono
kopuku no
koku we all can you koku if you feel yeah ko ya ni man no my enti anopay
me that's na ye bribia no ye die ho nkomo na yetu ye ho fo na yesu ade e fa yenum ene yese ho no ene nso ye gu so aye ne saa se wo sora na pa obetwitwide wo se ansakra na wadidi na enumre nso no wo sitwe ne nyade a etwa to kra obeye na wo de akoda da bia me kase wo twitwide wo se enumre na ade a wo se wonye nka ho ne se ensuo na obenom se wodi di foforo bia wo fa snack bi wo fa drink bia mesre e wo se onsan ko twitwide wo se anya sa nketenkete na aka e wo wanum no emwa na bacteria na wo yanum no obekwa akofidi so na akofa oha foforo e de abrew na di wie bia nso a fi so ohuanum na nketenkete na aka ka ni nyina no ni nyina MPP mra se wonya bi da ene ye bi na hwe se wodidi wie a na fenso ohuanum na pigu o sink mana se uni sinka pe ade bi na pigum na hwe enema ebeba ubehu se na enema ekeka wonum ni nyina na boboa no ema efin no eboboa no ewo yenum ani asimu a ede ohaw ebre na bobo modern so obe flossing no eye so de dental floss enkofa dua bi enkofa ba bi enkofa prai bi enfe enko yi usim ema emuja bi enkopram na mumfa dental floss okọ pharmacy ho no mu a obenya bi na okọ dentist so no so obenya dental floss ni bi a obe use obebo yi pa omo sen emu ntokro nketenkete no omo yusu a etimi eyiyi omo sinum eyiyi pa ma omo anum no eda ho no ahwenso se sugar enuane bebre no ene enuane a eden ye dumpe bi eden ne se wode wosene ye ne ma denden no mesre no so nyina no ubejai kra na obete so sugar enuane no ya na emwa eyi kra e wo yanum ene yesen ahode ho kwara ne so no odi sugar nuane bebre ya na harness bo said when nimra so no na ne sina bubu na say ahye na edo haw abre na obema nan so ayi ntinti a wo dentist so no manye bia bosumi nsia bia no beko dentist so no na wakoye clean and say scale and polish no na efin bia aboboa no wo num wo wosim no na eko do say obetwitwi wo sia no pa na enwumre na brush no a wo de betwitwi wo so no eno no entimi nyi efin no nyina efiro no within that 6 months ntina you recommend say 6 months bia no obeko dentist so na akoye professional cleaner na say scale and polish no na nyina efiri honom na wanum ada honom yi pa brush no so a use no so use brush ano oden use brush ano omre na timi ewura wo sintokruntukru no yi bibibia wo ho one ntwitwi yesen say ye ma yesen afi na mu ntwitwi yesen say yi efin no afiri anya sa nka obia ba bia wo mfi adru nka obia sen efita fise wotwitwi wo sen ache yi pa na so ntwitwi yesen say yi efin no afrim nti fabrasha ano omre na wo use paste so a fried e wo mu say dentist so recommend paste bia ma because of how bia ene di na hihye na kinemu say ye recommend bia ema wa use paste a fried e wo mu na emo wo sen ene wo gam no ho ban na ema wonum so ena ho yi na bibiara aboni bia na ekoso wonum ene wosim no ni nyina atimi afri honom oni dentist so na the active point dental clinic na odi ayo dental na busuafo ni nyina kwara no odo omu nyina edi wachi no omo so activate the habit say omo be come dentist so no na etimi abo omu yipa na omo sen ho ode no so etimi agina fi say esen no say how eba mu ya na ho ka ne do so yipa na san eje wadaaje enso eya no so a eya na di achi ne ya na eno so hadwen yipa say wo sen atu na pese wusi a wo so call dentist so say wo sen no so abubu a ebetimi afeli ama say kwan da wo sen ase sin echinam na wa free osino ho a eno nso nyina active point technique e ni nyina se wosino e na wu nyina so lifestyle nti change color koye brown koye yellow bi nso a eno nso be ye no white na kama de ama se bi go na for so ama edin carbon e bo mu a oba braces ne so no ye be fast braces de ama within some few months no na wosino nyina atinde se bi se carbon e na e wo wanum e ma untimi eni enkomo ana untimi nkansu nsam a oba e be hwe adekro na edin carbon no e ba most ya na e efia na se calculus na wo yenum no oba ebe o skill and polishing na adfufro bi oho bia no ya san ache de obeye na san carbon no enina afri ho nti how bi ekoso we wo num e wo simse bia wo sin no eni moja afri mu ba tokure da wo sin mu na so wo sin keka ni nyina oba ebe hwe ni adi ho dwuma e de ama ne ya ne san ache de obeye na obebu onum ene wo sin ho man na ho atimi ato yi pa enen koma ebedi no ye friend no gum recession na gum recession no wo sin achi na mra or how about na say infection be abemu a twe free osene ho o de yakopon ebo yesi achinam ne say entare yesene ho kama said de be ya ekwa bia medase na yesi achinam na tare yesen ho no eno so eboa ema entasuo bia na se bibia bedi bia enkoru ayesim nyesa ne yakopon ebo yesene se enye inte wo se wo se no ene osi achinam no enkantare ho yi pa no ha bia entimi amam na mum ne ma bia ya ne ye no ena ema ekwan bededa ho se yesi achinam no ebeye mre ebeye kokko eho no emu no beye mre ama atwe asate atwe afri yesen ho amekwan bededa yesen ase ero no ebasa na yese ha wa hyase se ebam eba wosinum na wosena ho odin nyina esoate na infection a ebekwa wosim no ama ha kese pa na abrewa woseno be hyase ayo ya ebe hyase se efemfemo be hyase se ebekeka na woni ama wo so amra no na etu ama wadum akwa ho no a ede wo ha na ebebro yi pa nyanyama ya na ede gam recession no eba no ya na ebi ye how a edi anum ene yesin eni no eye poor oral hygiene na say yanum ayi ni ene yesin ayi ni no ya na makwan bede ye ho say ebinya sa gam recession ye obutubo say efine awa ta yesin ne so a ayese ade bi awe na ache no why the awe na ache inform abu se na ekwan abeda ho a ede ohaw account sa na ya na yese no ya na eye se efino etare ho no mo a obeyi afiri ho na eho no nyina ayemremre bu se na eho no nyina awa afiri ho mo a ede ohaw na eba na gam recession ya na ebi nso ye genetics ya na ebi wo abusua no bu se abusua no ho mo a omo se achinam na yakọ ayemremre ewa afiri omo se ne ho a ya na emo omo ye kura na oral hygiene Paul one nso no ya na kwan so efa so etwi no so ya na eka ho yubon so the brush no den na o twi ne no obon se na nim rounds na next year chinam no ayemremre ye se chinam no enya honam enti se ye honam na ahoden ewum no na emum eye tissue ene nerve se na kan abomu enti se pressure no koso bebra na ayemre na ahoden no eso ate ya na emo ayi kura no ena niema bi your lifestyle no ebiti se ye nom alcohol too much ye excessive alcohol no ene your lifestyle bi ete se ye omo a smoke na se omo chew tobacco ene ne ho keka ho no ya na emo mo se achinam no eyemre yi pa ena obi so no ma wanya gingivitis a one treat amana kodu periodontal disease periodontitis eno nso no etima na se achinam no ewai efri ne se ho a ya na emo ani ekura ena trauma na se accident obi ho no a ne se no akopim bibi ana se ne se no accident bi ama ne se no ahoden no eso ate no so etime kwa beda ho se obetimi enya this gam recession no ebia na emo ayi kura ero mo so ya no mo do omo se no ewidompe akese no omo do omo se etututu enema no omo no ya na pressure ekọ omo se pressure akọ se so pe na aha o se ne socket the socket no socket na o se no ehim no na ema gam no emu baaba ya makwan ebitimi beda ho se obenya da gam recession bia na emo ayi kura nze uhu se wo se achinam no ewa free wo se ne ho na edif esenfemfem braw edi pensi bra ma wosno ekeka aye mobile tweet no bonse wani ama nkra na wosno tu na esa nkra san de enkabone eba wanum firi se eye ekro na aba ho ekro so woda ho nam kra se bi etimi de enkabone ba na akoda wanum a onta mie bi wanum no nti san enkabone no ya na ebi nso eye saa ye se achinam na a ohaw abamso hu bibi saa bonse obesa de na eye oya no bonse woye bibia na osin no unya ahomka wonum se bibi saa ba entan to so ko dentist onum na onhwe saa ohaw no na untu asiema o obi wo mo a ne se no ya na ebasa na asay krente wo se untu na unsi foforo ma do so mo a oye fele na anasa restoration na edo so etimi ekọ ema ne ho eto ne yepa na wi na wasan ama yesan ma wo oral education a ebebo ama wetimi abo wo se na aka no eho ban ka se wo se no nye wo yantu nko dent so no do se wo hu se ekwan bededa asen ase honom no but enye wo yantu nko dent so amesere wo hu na no tu ho na mo na akwa ankoye kese na akwa anko sai osina aka na oha no akwa ankoye kese ama wo ho anko kire se owo esen ha foforo bia na bia yende ho nkoma na se unim de ede ba na wutwetwe osino hu se wose no emu no ba bi yo ye moja bi firi wosimu ba wo he o se tokro bi eda wosimu a unhu de a efiri ba mesetu anamo na fa call dentist onom na ka oha no nyina e kire no kan so a obehwe na treatment a ewo se onyama no waye edi ama na oho ato yi pa se wuni dentist so a na waba Active Point Dental Clinic ya branch yi Okumase Santa Sid nyame ebe ultimate radio Accra Jolu Presby Junction Caterpillar Road no Kaswa Crispo Junction EF Bear Farm Depot Sunyai we abro sane be koko bodran about no Obuasi Dunkwa Junction na ma kwan so na konka road no so your branch back ho elho se hwina se na de chef filling station no so your branch back ho elho e na takwa achempem yeah Bear Western Transport Station we de be DVL office no oba ye branches e bie no edwada ekosi mmereda no pa no wotwe ekosi anwumre no nsia wanum ene wosen ehal bia no wo de buy ho no e behwe ni atu ase ama wie nso a na ya san churchill de wo beye na wanum ene wosen no emu ada ho no mo se ukra private health insurance and now we will beat me about ukra gap health insurance will beat me about your bankers no ukra ace medical insurance will beat me about ukra cosmopolitan health insurance so obet me eba and ukra equity health insurance so and so beat me about na o bia no the insurance ne cover no na yetimi aboa na oho ato yi pa obet me a friend number 0554 571 779 0554 571 779 obet me so follow your social media platform ni nyina so na o bia na se question bia person umbusaye no ubusaye ya na ye nu adi hu komo ni achichu number no sign WhatsApp number wetin the video and na audio na so wetin so chat here na be responding na how na wo kom no ya timi adi hu dwuma adi ama so friend ya se wo se ombra ye clinic on ma ye be che no abasa so remedy bi na e wo ho ye wo se onye for some time so a da ye first aid ni a chew ni nyina na oho ato ye pa hwe active point and technique na fa wanum ene wo sen e how ni nyina ebra na etimi aboa ama wo ho ato na wo sen ho den so sen nyankopon hye no wanya ni yi na wonso wonkwa no ache ewo asase so pa
okay meda wasipa asame na yebedi nkomo ache nyame ka enjoy your day okay anope yatena se na abedwafo atena se no na yedi dwumadie no hyehyɛ so yɛhwɛ animu ebacho high minority seat ai so MPP nti the minority seat at so kuku a unima a high minority majority ni ba betras eno a de otana ha no na ya anu abo akwe okofrem pon ai producer unim seat we nyina ayase Eric da be an important to say
and aroma
bibi aboko
o trade am ponyanko
na German of so hot to say
oh German of here boko just that the cash na price na say
e dey na say
cashew no yeah price na say cry
price na akofom
den the pa
adey
say MPP are buying by or the tree crop development authority by
yeah tree crop authority omo office crowd
yeah
de nyame honomo
in fact I think it's a Bruno region they were having 6 offices yeah German of was part of it I buy we buy before I be free konya so yeah the farm gate price buy yeah now it was around 15 cedis and above yeah toya kozi 23 Ghana cedis but you see ameno say I buy we buy and panifo na free office one mo they were using even pickup yeah no but they call rounds a taxi amount for should in case ebia obi emfamra ni nye juma on betumi take the matter on but you see ameno say you hwe omo ayi hu and you see cashew price
tree crop authority no say I bind there
yes
they also appointing the Pamomba ho
obi ani ho sisi ameno ka
Eric Opoku she's supposed to be in charge what also quite they say money in the free bono
yeah or no I think so free half
nti on the bono ani half there
half bono area ni nyina ya cashew grown area but
ye nim say ho na ahoden cashew ahoden nyina
me mpeso aso na e wo pa the whole Ghana baby e gria cashew atia pa
see asa ama ho ye hia ba ho
oh masa me nkan na daw
but meba wo champion ma me ne minua Samuel Amu adwetwe nkomo ye nya ensempa bi afiri mo ho se nyame ya adom a 25 ko omote ka ko bedie no ahyensedie no ka no omote so by 50% ma ye musa no se ebu on ma social media abai die bu okwa na bi anye sa Sami me mo ache o hello Sami good morning.
Yes, morning. Good morning, Pastor Seninka.
Me te won kado do na mpom to say.
Nyame adom ne mpa bo awon de ho.
Sami de ati ye no kra, anano ye di nkomo na say mo hye niema ekika bomu ma dollar no ne pass won sensem no na mo betu anamon. Ya te say mo say 25 ko mo te lorry fare so by 15%. No kra wo mo ne say na de ntina message na yi.
Me da se papa ma min chia wetie for the woman say a no cre send right koye nhyiamu our transport ministries ashenka foku nkai ni nyina nso eka ho anya GPRT nko an ekoye sa nhyiamu ni na nhyiamu no mu no na ye kohwe emunu se baby afango bo na drop ya babedu na SSA ye share na review transport fare no although na ye complain ba ko egina other components no that is the spare parts and the lubricant any taxes no say no dey egina baby egina and intinan ke share ni mposen company for be me no so aba for mansa ye nso etimati ye de so enso mo ne kasa ye e me ye ti ase se pempi na no ya lo bia se transport fare emra from the affected the akagina nti enhwe ne yentime ente so enti na enyina ya no ko benkruma ya ti ase se eda eye memenda 24 me ya ashintiabo nyina Ghana Shenkafo nyina ti eye o mashintiabo so eye 15%.
Madama eye GPRT eye controlled enti mumu de mu kan ye tum eba say ya wa ne saa niema na atwa ho ahia no na akodane enchinuahyew ye ne passengers no mo ne aban no di nkomo kwan ono so betima afa so aboa mo na manamo ntue ya di mu esan se eyire a saa so bo no ye saa de bebo GPRT na so na emfiri mo ntida bi ase mo gidi mbone so na nipa bone fu bi na eye
dia okay no kure pepe unse ade bia ye ne aban ne kan wa asem se ye kan se ye ahyenka djuma na ye no ye wo mra a ye govern ya ahyenka djuma no na emra govern ahyenka djuma no a ya hyehye e wo II20-05-25 no efa bi e kan se anso bia be ye djuma se commercial transport operator no na eseso de ne ho dom ekuo bi ana so mo form kuo bi a recognized union that the be a nhihye bi atise no yetime wuso mu nyina aka ho na saa de na asempanimpo yi omani ato nchen kakra ama akwanya ama obi okotoka eno anso de ma driver ni na driver ni netiesi abontina oni union bi emu na ya na yetenye oha wo pa adi nyina emu no ye fam mfidie kasie so ne ani omu nyina aka sa se enye se yetan omu na emu sabia ye ba bontin ebeto ahyentiabo so omu nyina be kan ho ye ho me ye to so no saa nso ne ye te so a omu nyina nso mfa kan se mu nhyem ne nyina ye nte so na emu no se ko ba ne se we shenkani unka union bia ho na o de esi ate so na so de on te so na passenger bi ebo na so reporto e de ma posi bia se posi etimi so pachi na emre bi e ho no omutime edidi na asotwe bi e ho nso no omutime ma na ebo we member ana we union member we shenkani ne esi ate so na so ante so ne ye nya report ne dia internally no ye wa asotwe a ye de be ma ho se ye kuba
enti we no memre da no mode enkrata be ba na ma kire baby a ufri kodru baby se na ya moye no no ana se bia me fri ka so e ba ha me fri keje tie kwa ha sei na wo se agye no mode ba betudwa
da pepe enunti ni yemma ye hu enna wo ye nimi nyina se ye betima ye san hihye no timilo kata no pempenifo atena se a omo ye calculation ni nyina na omo de nkrata ato so asani akọ 16 regions ni nyina ma omo so ediseni di akọ branches no na driver ni bia any mate ni bia nso nsa etini akabi ni watimi dia ye adwuma
sami meda ase anopai wa enkoma oni atwetwe na wano ho ba no kama ye hwe animu se ose be yo na ye nyina nso yakọ yani
yo me so madam asepa
okay etidabie mame enje wadwenkyere tiawa wo koma idie wo wa ha idie
oh Omanhene we die I think say ya asem de we hwe I think say ye di bronye we I think say this is the 5th time crisis fuel cry reduce no price no kakra akone ba die ya ne ma nyina ne bo eyeden you see America say okodwa so otum say ne ma bo ayeden ankasa all because of fuel prices na I say yente so na ashinti ade bo na yente so no this omo etimi age atum GPRT so mbete so I didn't say a good idea the papa de magana for nyina because me fro ka so fru bi
that's right
nti ye
okay mo hon kania ne dundum
hey Pacho adawro mama minchia me chama enye sa menya sempa. Chama AS Barus matanga ba ko pe universal papa no ma party mu ya akono. Any constituency officers ni nyina. Wo say me office no so constituency secretary ase. So honorable Imanu Kwaku Chene baby a will be me communicate serial callers. Awo me eno batampa vada yeboa. Eno papa bi on so bo machitiwa comfort. German of Messiah Assembly member.
Oh, okay.
Enti kuna du ya dom letter area Suma, Calvary and Grubet and penny for mu nyina mechi obi bia. Bacho ane.
Oh, okay.
Enti machi omo awie na machi German of fu nyina ne bono. Na maba Ashanti region dia ma menchi ya otikoko so. Ne mpanimfo nyina me regional chairman. Ne mpanimfo aka nyina. Chairman wontu mechi obi bia.
Okay. Kania no won sem na ye kana minority the ato minister gina po anim say onyai ehu a ode bo Ghana fo no na on focus on energy crisis ono so the aba say energy crisis no ho adwuma no oye na nye say bia obayi ye niam bi say opeso hwehwa Ghana for he solving the problem ono so reply o the aba the atoso mienu energy nti na me kan nyina bom na je ba fo wa MPP na hye do dwani wo manhia sa o CPRC wo sre wo mo enka ni mo animu ya o mo twentwen 14.75% because o mato kane mu a kane ni ho enu tie moa another press to say yemfa so bo no bi so more finance minister because energy minister say o finance minister also o man is scam koto petrol non koto ayi me power nyina ho na o sisika ni ho enti dede ekosu bebrebe ya kanea ni dundum nyina no sikasem na ato forcing ka hu bi obeso be release ka because so almost start so almost spend there dollar no be start say pagent no as almost I artificial ibi abai no is not spending and akwa so dollar no kwa neko tisika be yie ma almost spending na bi ama dollar ni mu apagya ni ade nti. And some of them were energy. And you know, my wording say, Enkoya, Omano Susaso, and say, Mammy Brown.
Omanhene Medawase. Energy.
I'm about to just say, I heard himself the romance of Abakan.
Medase. Energy as some dear, and you'll be awesome. Now, me, I dare back on, I am one crying and say, you're a JD and Brow Bontoa, and in the party food, you know, or maybe I did better on 24-hour economy. Yeah, national chairman. You're a Johnson, see you don't get here. Eka so mo ba mbeti anyina ma ho ode so ma na ba fom se de be ya mabunu in fact o kansem bebre ye nyina ye anim sem na yanka bi anhwemu se de oba ye the first akwa about the my so oboy atrase ne se 14.7% or run figure na almost 15%. That's right. I was sem the anti American sa ne se me and I me to me as president kama fire you Regina po da. Oh yes, and come here you na di da. Esan say ye di to me man wa as we fear pani enye su na usu wo show dem no watoto ne ma ye say if my memory could set me right Brian Anado 2017 of Obanya oni Baomi Yaw Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baomi Yaw na dum say ya tenam almost 4 years Baomi Yaw abonte be kan say enye bibibia e sika eso munya na omutime dey affect this challenge within 3 months. I think our first energy minister was Boakye, right? Good. Again, you see, they were able to negotiate with other partners. Yes, some my holding. Electricity, so. Doom survey the 10 of the past. And the BM, yeah, bonds want to know himself or mine. The team driving very well. Energy. In terms of production, everything depends on energy. Yes, right. And the war banner is so who say that's the only area will be the kind of attack. That's right. You don't come and say it in front of cameras. No be soon. Oh lamente. Because Pania Wolfie now you didn't know matter on chain. Ne come the omo. No one say good no try jajoa. Why lie the hope of these people? And that's what ben biem ne wom. Na me papa na anka say you Regina po. Nin say ma waka from day one e be seen there. He doesn't fit for the work. The edi kind. Or can say obey on be inherit dum so. Anameboa. Later I see dum so ni ho. Later I saw mun yellow shedding. And then see I was yanka say ye were crisis him say some ya okay. Emu de wa him pa na betimi de akodwa so ayeton a ebe yi. Okay. Baby ananado ba omi akoya omutime fix dum so at is Nigeria.
You were president or no my yana. Because now the neighbor to delegation momoko within that short time, they were able to fix this menace. MIN 7 good years, echo 8 good years. Challenge way, ebiama. It is a see how many to one ma. You Regina po eba, ebeka handsome winning. 2 days, 6 hours. So I dare here. First day now you call parliament to no say 5 hours. Now the neighbor me and Jessica Bia or honum. So meaning how he was able to conjure from Scana miracle or yeah. Yet me at almost 5 months now. Now no the enquanti was it 22 days 0.6 BBC.
2 hours, 2 days 6 hours.
Cannot agree. Penny, it in some way you see I don't know my woman say on one gas and a for and so can be. This doing so issue. I think one MP from Volta. It can be one can be. And the comments now all making does not fix and solve a problem. No, the woman say use the pragmatic measures. Why men could be the idea? No one said, I feel no idea who the Amagana for. Or did you say go honum? Nana do be the idea no, or say me, I am not here to complain. So see, I'm no say, and this year buying 5 months. And ye rummy, ye be trust 6 months and answer. I deport him by pan, you bet him and says he was say a true baby. Or motimiaye, just a messy a back on bit medium says so. Ye born to I can say, ye nim end this in a mantra, the woman is a doom son or messign diaba. Ye kai, Ghana was a moboa. Because you Ramahama can say, me dear me ya and the baby a chomuno. Manumi whom yes, you who. Menyusia when it is a message repeat Sadi and Bium. I am very surprised. Sadi di bonnet, apart from I am a 4D enquiry, near freezy appointment. Idea can see another gun of Votima Colabia, I want from that time, maybe seen there. And you doom sassem. Records of pa, your demand, your friends say JDM. Apart from corruption, sir, unemployment issues, doom son a year pa near dinosaur. That's right. So I thought, say, or 10 of 8 good years. Ya nanka wanya kwanya so osia babiem no nka saade we say Ghana for sign ebo bata ni deni ho biem. And the same minister after Yewra Kofi Amaboa resigning your man 3 months of tomato say okay enyo no a Kwabra Donko very well o man 3 months of tomato say me de mantimi am fix dum so me am sorry afra konwa so ene Yewra gina po bae
so then after the last year on another minister
very well enti kanyema na isi ya how we have a toy and swadi be seen then ka obey and so you saw another strategy we share comment bi ma all pass as at the time MPP wa ba mu nti ye bi ba say nkom pese yi si jom preference okay e dey na ndisi for ankan fa ho ensem bebre na ndisi for kai adaroma ene ye yi afiri akonwa so enro ani su ya wo su nsam o kan nyina o si ECG for say ye preference ye friend say ECG
they are pushing it to that end
you see probably
have John Mama crack kind war Mayday say on ton ECG name or more pay obi obetima beboa on the management field no betima jeje revenue ni ye sir by in the end is privatization.
Papa what did you make Omanhene enti mompani wona sema awoka minister nso wona sema iden oka ye the way chechire oman a I think say ye lose focus energy sector ya ade ehia yen so say see how media de minim pa ne say ya the betting tax I replace it 24-hour economy
24-hour that's a 24-hour economy enye too early say Ghana for beka say entimi nya adwuma
papa Omanhene me bisa wade o na nado from 2008 up to 2012 2016 before onya power na ne slogan kase pa na de ba kwa na kan wasa free SHS
oba o shase
me pa cha before ofra banwa no a first 7 months now the free senior high aba
okay
ade a dan so NDC mu campaign mu 24-hour economy
and also the no credit
ye kan see budget kwara mo ntimi amfa budget ankoba and see how buy no sa populist approach no yes so meyi betting tax e free one na mrante na ye pa adwuma no ye see ye ma mo betting tax in replace of what 24-hour economy because for now energy ni ho utimi create adwuma so what dey here enti
ani do say 24-hour economy ye dey betting tax
ya dey betting tax ya be see anan
asa no dey entumi Mohammed
enu na ya asem no mama kan asem bi me can relate ya be see we so
okay
because sa betting tax re no answer wa charge you phone kakra bi emrante no mo ani je ho no wo hwe 1 Corinthians chapter 6 9 to 10 na e kan ga blame ho asem chacha e kan ho asem nya osum bia na ni je ho papa no ba ye no edi obetimi ma mrante ani age ho ne se me boa mo sesa bi osabi mo nto chacha na adwuma na me promise ye se me de be ma mo se ye wura se edu nkatia se ye betwa nyina ma hoden akwafuom ebinim be ye adwuma na ajo ebinim be ton wa che se de ebinim keka ye no eno de ya suspend all because you see ano ye say ye wo dunsom ye wo serious crisis ya ye nisika
but you sure say 24 economy abana yin na free so
na anamon ben watu
say obia so ye agusi tam no na ehwe so
pani but Hope City okay
na ese jebia say o man pani uti anano wo so oba be create another city o
ana me just say Hope City na ekosi sei
and am kosi
eno eye obi show bi ni di ana me boa
ekosi sei
ana na anu adwuma wura ye o mka ye portfolio ben pa na o makiti di ato sika sen na mpo ye ka Women's Bank o mka ho asem wa hu no Ghana fo me maka kire MPP fo nyina se ye nko hu ye wura akwasi ampofo je di late ne nyum bi oboye ebeto da na mu chini peme na nso mu hunu me ye ko program bi a nke ye to sa anyum no because maka ne be bia several say obi a wato abade ama NDC bia no e decide abranti a why say obeye barbering shop adwuma na Jamaica na akwa akoye no go nda so bi ani ho bi
go ye barbering shop na akwa Jamaica
uko Jamaica di akoye ne say uko no Rastafarians ne wo ho enti obi a nyiniti enti edi da so onim because you see omampani a wo se akufu ado ne ba omi aban timu eden na omo ene temade matimamufo obaye no first as said the da won say we increase tariff electricity tariffs from 40.7 what they are say we see why you betting tax free honum e levy free honum but o calculate way e de be ka ho a eno kwa ya de foforo na obeto adwumayefo akatuye mu a 10%. Meanwhile utility now to mu no e 14.7 yantim from simple calculation yen hwe to see akodwa so ahwede e ko awrehu sempo no say light no say nka wunyampo e na wutia higher na nka hame because you wura John Dramani Mahama abreso no kan say if you want to enjoy stable power prepare to pay more and abanya oba so a over 500 your friend saying increment in electricity as at the time from 2012 to 2016 opajaye e papa we ahodo electricity tariffs nko opajaye no na ebro 500%. Na do ba omi ba ye no mbe hya ase e reduce ya de bedu a certain level at least the first 3 years ni ento anyina ahodi muda MPP no nto muda ba wo ba in first 3 months 14%. Do you recall see ameno ka say wunim say every 3 months be so ma adjust utility tariffs now asema na mo kan say IMF conditionalities and I'm so wow see e ka IMF ho asem de a he ya munyai because Nanado came and made that of IMF na e wo Ghana e da Ghana for komo Nanado ba omia etu anamo eko honom as at the time na conditions e bie ni say ya freeze employment me boa Nanado was able to renegotiate with the IMF penny for em ye hyase e fa ni page mum enti so wo conditions bi e wo honam po beto so a that's why we call it what governance obi a won strategy a odi wura mu enti so de beto wo be ka kire nse tariffs na e da ho no IMF for na de to ho enti menye hu bibia 3 months MPP aba na de to ho no ya then you are still following the footsteps of NPP and now so me to abati then you are going to fail as well to we dey advice na me dey more so omunim say omba magana fo a yeah economy bia no they are driving very well electricity and as energy there omo hwe niam bi
what do you make of Adeakye Abia for West request and the minority say PRC for section 3D of Act 538 no enye no mu so they are protecting the producers of electricity rather than the consumers no omonye hu bibi to omo suspended 14.7%.
Omanhene me no mo ya adwen say the ama illegal connection and niam bibiri amanfo edwane emuntu abo ni nyina ne say ejina sa ni ma we so because ade no adwuma no kura ode ye no how much does he get at the end of the day what they are say nipa na wo ka say wo bo ne ho ban na say wo pese wo da anyina mu no anyina ho de no ne nsanka ebiem no wan fa the due process because of say you push you say aban na say enye we nti no eno an say wa ye hu adwuma ba wo ho nom ematimamufo enti me support am 100%. Some matter say as CSOs binum cry some they are threatening some be court and a CPA consumer protection agency crash are threatening some they will go to court if say PRC for entimi and CC and Yemabia. Don't go to an artist that in the right direction because Honum say, oh, yeah, Jumadia Matimemu for. Yeah, so
and almost as why you must so at the bought ECG for so by
me patch
each side of the coin.
Meji tumpa ba maybe so time I COVID by. I think say Ghanaians enjoy electricity for 6 months.
That's right.
Sa Ghana for edem free. Enu musuo free. Sa abra na situation nse na enye. Adenti na wa wonim se sesia ba bi eginan enyina ma hode ni enyina so. Aho kire wo man no mo. Eniema sesae. Ombaye omfa bibia meto ha matemamuni ne ho ahenhan no. What do you say? Now all of a sudden, what's in your gina? Because all your base pay are able to 10%. 10%. Affected BBR. Now all of a sudden, what's on the above? We have between the comes into ya. I didn't know no more than any. I was young, say, ya near to aba. And you'll be a decided part when you pursue the anymore. It's just say a 2 abamo, 1 money pana saying, the real signing about the whole. It made me no more year I drink 100%. Said they should reconsider. Tariffs no media ban. Almost suspended. Na yanko because adi we kura nti ase nche da nimu. Me nti ase Omanhene. Yes, me nti ase. What was who nim say onye nsentro ni anka anase wasi obo pa obeka no kure wo. Say kwan yo mo fa so de we be share ye kon no enye ne kwan. Okay. At least they should sit around the table. Na president na nkasa said ye na nadu ye bi no. Nka oni timamufo nkasa ma hu se nema mu eden. Na mbum no e bi a me twen so kakra. First 3 months Udi Abeto 3 months be answer is subject to review. Yeah, be pajamo. Pani e basa ye be duru 4 years and no ba bi a Ghana ye duru no. Anhwe yi a so mo kan be say Ghana ye de na untimi otuko Togo. And that is on the way coming.
All right. Mame enko Raman ho. Abdul. Salam alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Now boom to say. Bibi Aboko. It's your microphone on.
Mine, Adeakye any Abia be mo twedi ampon.
Okay.
Say ya sorry na pe na mo je ADF for Sunday we. Na Adeakye ne hu say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and ebu eye Ghana mine kama abibie koso.
Okay.
If he say baby a Ghana akudru no. Eye foreign investors. Omonya Ghana mu GDA say at least we are having a stable and a profound economy running. It's so Adeakye na utiwani na hu se Ghana na wa na asida PC and a demo trade under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Enti wabu se bia na ye ho ye.
Okay. On the energy issues, a minority is saying that the energy minister is doing fear mongering. Now he should rather focus on the energy crisis. The energy Bafo who also requested for immediate suspension of the recent increment in electricity tariff. Honorable General Apostle, so I reply almost say he is dealing with the issue. And yadia or Tio say Abia or Tutuna Numukeke. Now and some never told Jano. I say I am fixing the energy sector, I'm not complaining. General Apostle fires back at critics. Anna, Ceciano, another president, finance minister, non release Sika. Na enya hochire bia Sika sem. The dollar is 12.3 this morning. Gold is up, cocoa is up. Just last month, Gold Board was able to inject into Ghana's economy $2.5 billion. And Bank of Ghana Governor Siama estimated 159 million economy. So we should be well cushioned. Why this energy issue, Abraham?
Openye energy crisis. I think the government did not come out to announce, say, a year Ghana we are in energy crisis at the moment. It is a speculation, as said, because, and I know what I say a minority descended on a Jinapoa. Now the usual political gimmick, now, in fact, Kasanomiti Seminia lamenting on issue of an increment in that tariff.
Yes,
na the ane one kesine say up to now ebesi ne due ya yetiwi omoda so play propaganda politics a group and prince will say ti my mfueni nemo mu no kra e work governance Omanhene, we have to be able to elucidate, tell the Ghanaian people this is the reality instead of propaganda. A propaganda creating the democratic opposition abysmal. The same propaganda. And now we are saying, say, we will not do that. Now, we say, now His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo and be free the IMF conditionality say oh na yintimi mfa edwuma yefo workers yintimi mfa edwuma fo edwuma. My brother, before we left office, unemployment rate was at 8.2.
That's right.
Am I right or wrong?
That's right.
Mo amoba here mo say mo na mo be yi sa conditionalities. Say the be am betimi afatima mo fo edwuma. Mo free abemu. Not unemployment rate is
it was 14.
It was 14. So mathematically, you don't know what you are saying. So who say oba bemono esan electricity tariff conditionalities sorry. Esan electricity tariff conditionalities o be yi timamufo free ya obi mu. Say the be ya obetima fatima mufo adwuma. And then you end up having your unemployment rate at 14.4%. It means you are not saying what is expected from you. You are being liable. And you're not crying because we need the oka. Now the issue of electricity, we all know, say based on IMF conditionalities. Every quarter there should be an adjustment. We are there. The last time we have a discussion, Intino said, "Oh, but now we can be before Friday. In fact, we will not have energy to banter with you when you know that they are working on a previous. It is neither here or there. Ebio, asama John Jinapo Eka, ayene kwanswa. The entire Eka sana say they should focus on planter. Ye building wall, etriabo hono. The support that we are giving to etriabo gas, they should concentrate on that, because you buy a car muja to one kasa is around 50 to 60 billion. It was between 50 to 60 billion.
That's right.
This has been there. Everybody knows what depth electricity and ECG ejato timamufoso. At the first interview, he made it clear that they should pay their own debt. Because a car, they can manage it because sika umunyano ekwenye. Only ECG, and the abiding a cranioma. Moma bansu, the abiding cranioma. Na the abiding a yomano. The abiding a yomana. Ne a so ton yomano ama abiding and I'm sinning. Namo bo man apo. Ye nyoma mo ye free ECG through ECG a chrono ma bo e wo ma we mu then your chrono get one. The sign to know we are saying say the energy that we used to have in battling these issues we will not do it again. Because we all know say enya no kre de biarada say ya shada ana e boa payo ana ye say omano ana say ye increase electricity tariff. In fact, the biarana make say the best people to discuss Ghanaian energy is NDC and not the MPP. Why do you say that? You don't have any moral right to discuss issue of electricity stability in this country. Emra ye free abemu in 209. Free ye ba abemu in 209. Omanhene, I want you to do the check for us. Our electricity megawatt in this country was 1,800.
That's true.
Mobeje Omano, from 209 to 2016. Ye free abemu. What was the megawatt? It was around 4,132. Look at the marginal increment. Look at Jumapa, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Abang, the boy electricity and our energy sector. Nibusau, you are sitting in my right hand. Nibusau, Say, tell me, how many megawatt have you added to the grid for your 8 years? And abaya, obe criticizing energy. I'm saying, and I'm saying this on authority, MPP should be the last group of people. They should be the last group of people. How? On what temerity? And I bet to say, I said ye, ube be a baba shop, no wako Jamaica. You are misleading the public because unim pefe say there is nothing wrong with what Jinapo is doing as an energy minister. In fact, he is trying to offload the load that you've left. And I mean, you where yeti enyana makani say air condition boy. Anka uwa sedebia. Sorry na pabia also John Mahama medase. John Mahama nyamin sharp. Esan say wonim, and he has a foresight. Say emire bi beba ama oman no ebe he nyina makania. Inti na wo yes adwuma na wo di siwa ene wonya bia wo yusu. Na say inti na oman these people should come again. John Jinapo is working tirelessly hard to make sure that our energy sector is stable in this country.
What do you make of the call for the suspension of the tariff by Menchia South, Member of Parliament? And then the accusation the NDC is afraid to spend because if they release funds for IPPR, it will rather even push the dollar up.
Omanhene, haven't we released funds to various agencies?
Yeah.
Haven't we done that?
But the quantum of spending
no. Look at the expenses that we are doing under agri sector. Look at the monies that we have allocated there. Under youth employment. Look at the various agencies. I want to make sure. Ejumawura project here, Yediabe. We've allocated 100 million Ghana cedis there. It's, so we are afraid to spend that as if you don't know how much we've spent so far.
Okay.
Except that at the energy sector, it has been communicated that that sector should be able to offload the load by themselves.
Okay.
You get the point. Forcing came clear. Is about they should pay their own debt. You understand? They should pay their own debt because it has gotten to a point that the government is spending on that particular sector, but we are not yielding the necessary result. That is what we've come to establish. Intino say akwenya ohona utimi dije amaisika ese ode brane electricity, then you should be able to pay for your own debt. Exactly what we mean. It is our case. You suspend a year. Your friend is saying tariff increment. Now, I don't know how we are going to do it, but if there is a way, we will find a way and do it diligently for the Ghanaian people.
All right. I'm sorry, but I apologize to MPP members over 2024 election dividend says that we did not get some things right. We are sorry. Is it the way to go? Omanhene Yaw Dada. It maybe on DDEP. Ya kasi ya kwa cabinet we are ebi more etchi na nim say ato accusing anado. You see and the kasa na asesa or say eniema bebre wo honoma we did not get it right. I stand on behalf of myself and that of the party and say we are sorry. Java no for Dr. Boakye also sorry. Sorry now, is it enough?
Oh, Omanhene medase ansana me ba wo question no so no ma menyi we ba kwa na mi bi ano na ka unemployment rate ho asem obi a wa ba akonwa so emfie 9 omfa ni pada na ado wo hwe so hwe record so eda ho no ma 8 years na obetena so every year bia na ofa nipa. That is the records. So what they say from 2012, 13, 14, 15, both nurses, teachers, or fire other sectors in nyina. So our records na that one 8 good years every year bia na do no ofa nipa ejuma. Then again, don't forget that the almighty free senior high 2017, how many years? 7 years to 8 years. And crown no more graduate, they been be teacher training, they been be university. They are also there. So nka oba so no 4 years now tena so no e na o sha ase fa nipa maybe that backlog na nka anye den ameto ho enti sabi owu na akọ friend tokwa ne baaye e na abeda ho na na do atimi asolve sa problem na e de be si nne abiem oba na ado adampu no de ya form kra no mo se yibinu adi ana ameboa enti si ya ka unemployment asem de a ye be sere na ado ni ba omia eye bi papa because omo di programs papa e buy e ma amanfo nya bi eye back to your friend is saying question here will be say sabio pani ena abribia na okasa kire timamufo e ma abotoye mu because o de nipa no MPP na ye nwense ye ko opposition ye wura John Dramani Mahama so wasen abe president and this are for the first time the records be o make here no say he is the most fortunate vice president e wo Ghana ha no because he was born after independence. Yeah, oh sorry, I no pass okay Juma. Ejura number 5, no your president. But I hwɛ de to no. For the first time, yeah, obi we are not over 1 million. Osan kwotene akiri. E ba Ghana for say me manu me ho de me e bi am fanche, including the party for. E bi si anso yakɔ, ye twa 2 terms. Na ba omi na o vice president. And I nyina ye nimpepe say apart from being the chair for the economic management team no. And now obviously I police council chairperson to me ben pa na one constitution na say oye vice president I want na say gina bia usi you opinion de beto ho no ma wo de wadwen kire den ebeba oji tumu afine yenyina yenim ya na yempese niema na aba na yebeka mu asem bebre because Professor Makokwe report me am as a communication director me nya mu nsem bebre nyere ente be yenuanom etimi akwan ne bia auto yenyina betimi adi wadanse sabio e-levy na yewura ba omia ompene so we are aware and NDC capitalize on that. And ultimately, a year campaign and a Ghana for the AG2 more to Abamano. For now, on one cassa, Ejina Brane. And I was back on them, you know, a course, no, I'm why it may be bad. But you can imagine, so be over 70 years. What think I yet now whom I Sika crack will be paid. I got to baby, say, or the BDD.
Domestic debt exchange.
That is it. Now, acquire say
800,000 Ghanaians.
Then easy. And you see, a buy, no. We ni eko obeda aka ho asema na ide ayeye enti so ka se de esi no sabi o mo mfa nche me me hu say in the right direction because aberewa a oti baby akokra bi oti baby oji na ho me akowu kakra obedi me yazi yemfa ntua ka e wo fom na ekoba ne si ya mze na woni na
where came that wickedness?
The point is
because Oniba dey tell me kasa say the vice president before Chowpay told us there was a cabinet decision and he did a PowerPoint presentation and cabinet to prove to all and sundry there, including the president and the finance minister, said it forms only 0.05% of GDP. So the individual bondholders 800,000. You don't see come over and economy no.
Exactly.
And on the man they say and now to me now could look at Ghana for say there shall be no haircut. Then the next minute, can operator goes to Nanado, explain to him says why Makwaya Mayanya DDP Nidia economy will collapse. The cabinet decision is quashed and an individual decision is taken. 800,000 Ghanaians. Raman, say me away. Me papa ka ho a na me papa me hu so the street na aban we think I'll vote for that.
You will never have that.
So 800 no yi ebusuafo mako 10
multiply by just say
multiply by 5. You are looking at about 2 million people. Almost so that to about 2 million and to about.
Omanhene.
Why?
Because
simple mathematics.
Fire at is a kufu.
Yeah,
Oba Bonti Bekasai.
And Gabi Kacha said, "Oh, you're desperate,
yes,
and ungrateful."
Ungrateful.
As someone met me, I can say issue we know. In fact, said about me, I can. We MPP ni. Now that's what the party now. But me, I will. You reckon? One penny for we bring the ho. You nyina ni move. Near say the Abano. He was the immediate. Your friend is a past flag bearer, and also party nonti. The CABano.
No fanche.
Yem fanche. I think say the all can.
A party no mote and magic atu.
Oh, opening Sabio. A series. And at the end, then say your co opposition no maintain that.
say one constituency bi ana party executive bi ni obi ehia abo atwede ana di obi ho ate so what dey ase ya ye din because the AC no omo nya power kra na zi ame no ka say unim the AC ba wo hwe MPP mu a ya hihye party office bebre wo kobro regional ana ameboa went doma central ana ameboa time ABC honom north even at all ya nominate MMDCs kra wa hu the air course but ya lose woefully you be kan say because for the first time MPP is apart from maybe yewura dubu ahe na yewura Jekofo abre so a okọ 1996 ya enumpo no na me va de say enye elections papa bia no the AC na ye kese pa
1.7 million.
yes
Mo adwuma yo.
Wo sha still na party man no da so te hodi e wo honom a de papa no ka no because wo hwe ni poster na di mi na say de osi kasa e wo nipam no e kasa yes so what dey say enti no me support to say that call na ode ba no na emomu no woye pani na ma otumi a obi sabi okohu abo okraman na otudua so a obi ne pagya ne kosi ho enya ono ane froye so what dey say the tie bia position is not inheritance.
Do you agree with him when he said arrogance played a key role?
Omanhene papa na aka
now you are also a communication
papa the point is
what come on be kwa bonten
me ba cho
uji tum say na dwane ahanta ne wo soro no
ada roma de wo mni se me ba bia me ginan me ntimi nkasa sa asem because yewura baomia e na aka ba cho obempani for pa ba cho on my side Omanhene the only me ko here me wouldn't be
a party ba oh you are doing postmortem
no kre wo hone se no kre
ena mo pani na mo de ko abato no o se na ye dwe ene ahantan party for one ka Ghana for party for kasa kire ya ye tie do reshuffle yes ye we yes ho eti obuko gina asoro na party man wo se papa ika e wo ye kasamafo o German off ebi kra na bia mo MP ebi kra na bia secretary ana obi ana niema bia esi wo German off no mu se dwane ahantan ni bi ba ho na ma bia molusu a wo ka se molusu poto se mutumi nka pani no wa se kire ni aka na mo amowo form na mutumi nka
Omanhene the American say sasam na wo ka no am say o share politics ma say the European share ni niema no itimi de 3 months reshuffle because opani bi pa o men pa etu kwan kwa ma no ne case kakra bi bae obaye na we ni sinje
Euro South Mafo
no
ana apreku
no Richard Anane
yes
so okay
oh no there Jekofo ne and one thing about your mama so no
so I know
your mama entirely reshuffle. Why is simple cry? I don't know why it was so difficult for them to do reshuffle. I don't know.
And the American said the embrace be for about 90 or 80 plus. I can say you finance minister. We should break a career ya buy ya Ura Amin Dr. Amin and buy. And I mind this if we use here you because she share out the big good one prior to elections. You know who near my na economy no. And the do baby said the American me ya da can say sabiu we na say that papa na aka so I said na ebi no me ya hantan ya ya say akutia ya kenten ma wo de wo mu a wo ye den unim sanity e enti me de advice am de be man say baby going forward si enya akwanya bi mu a grassroots e kasa party mpanifo nya den entie because the course no obia because yes NDC for the winning about in fact 2008 we handed power over to NDC
and you did same 20
that is it because now we hear the power say 2 million MP ankoto aba NDC number na onye 2020 a nka otimi an win the same number na onya ye
there was an addition of over 100,000
what you say now we hear the na ye tina fi a na e say bibi na ha adwen so we hu no I can say it on authority say obi pay juma MPP e create over 2.5 million jobs direct and indirect jobs me ba jo e wo ho no so we hu no but do saying and omo ankasa entua sika and so omo nseka that's the reality
as MPP ni kura ko page ma just yes
and you know the e asema obi anim so we hu no enti se koba ne sa nipa na wa me na adwuma MPP ni ote ho no so adwuma no kura me pe no me tua ya nsa me nseka
tia de ntina obi ba me so me ma ne bi
very well so we hu no enti akoba se papa no ka for now onye flag bearer bi wo ye de flag bearer wo twam ɛna ɔnam ɛna ɔka nsɛm deɛ asi bia na ate sɛ yɛn nyinaa yɛtie na so pɔm sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a yɛbɛtumi aboaboa no because 2008 nipa 17 na yɛwura Johnson sɛ yɛdu nkati aka sɛ akorɔmfoɔ du nson ɛkɔyi akorɔmfoɔ takyi amoa no yɛtumi boaboa yɛ nneɛma nyinaa no ma party san bɛyɛ akɔna even after sɛ nipa 17 nyinaa yɛnya nipa baako a we were all really behind him a yɛtumi yɛ adwumade just that nneɛma na nyɛ de anko yi ama yɛ for now yɛ a yɛtumi atwe aba de sɛ yi a yɛmia yɛ ho kuri yɛtumi de less best 1 year I know it's a very this year yɛbɛkɔ early congress yɛtumi toto nneɛma nyinaa yie ne yɛhu deɛ obɛtumi lead party na ama yɛ nneɛma bɛtumi because performance yɛ a yɛdikita ne sɛ yɛ deɛ sɛ bɔso na miɛnsa
and for performance
oh papa
Omanhene performing dollar
Boakye wo ɛno mfa ma topic ne ntame mpɛ sɛ mɛkɔ hɔ no
abɛba ho deɛ bɛba ɛdeɛ no bɛwie ma menyɛ birthday quickly na menkɔ Raman hɔnom na nso ntoa so ɛdɛ ya bipi asɛm na ɔbɛka bi ɔyɛ Ghana ne nti said we want a responsible opposition. Hey, you are so every Daniel. Happiest birthday to Jollof King. Yes, Jollof King. Ghana, the Jollof head de papa ya branty. Na branty no se Jollof ba ufia or the a koko kakra. Sausage, no chicken, no gizzard, no. Oh, Sabrantia we mouth jollof, dear. Wow, Tim said, what did jollof? And yet, spices. I said, one, two, the jollof, not a spicy. And I have from David, what do you fear jollof, pa? Happy birthday to you, Jollof King, from Sompa Morning Show crew and myself. That young man is doing so great. Oh, my jollof, I had there. Oh, your birthdays, parties, BBR. Just get in touch with Jollof King. Happy birthday to you. Ebenezer J of EcoBank, KJTR branch. Me baby a free bar. KJTR branch. Kuku Ajando Soma Utrim Kwapa. Ebenezer J. Happy birthday to you. And Michael Lawson Ofunwa of Nigeria. Michael Lawson Ofunwa from your brother Dixon. Osei Chinedu Iwe Azuka of Sompa FM and TV. Lauren Nyamia de Pafuakwa, see your body signature by Baby from Kuku Jando. Lauren Nyamia Adepa Afuakwa, see your body signature. Wow. Then Dr. Ben of Oboheba and Medical Research Center. Dr. Ben from Obedikokwan Ponsa of Sompa TV. Happy birthday to Boss Lady Christiana of Aprabon from Papa Eben of Electricity Company of Ghana. Bishop Isaac Oseo of Konongo Akrantie Besa. Bishop Isaac Oseo of Konongo Akrantie Besa. Tommy of GMPC says the Samuel Jemfi. Mr. Samuel Jemfi, we are accountant of Menchia Palace. Happy birthday to you, Samuel Pipra Jemfi. Then Brother Emmanuel says, CEO of Samamba Rental Services, Chronoma Francho. Today is your birthday. Catch will be sends this to you from Sompa. Peter Jabba of Spain. From your daughter Abigail of Spain to you, Peter Jabba. Rafia aka Sayada. From your auntie Rashida to you, Rafia. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday. Then to my one and only Ali Baba Dankambari of Angel FM Kumasi. Ali, happy birthday, bro. Oh, Ali Bafio. Ali Baba Dankambari. Oh, Dankambari. Atukamina, happy birthday to you. From all the morning show crew and myself, we say happy birthday to you. Mami Brown, Raman. Mami also opa Ghana for you. Send you Ghana, you say a fear chini abofno.
Yo. Omanhene.
Yes, my brother.
I feel na mehu say Sompa. Eye Sompa TV. Eye mpanyimfo akuku dam ene ti opa.
Sound.
Asempa na making. I think some 5 minutes ago, my message be the National Vice Chairman for the NDC, Dr. Samuel Sapon.
Dr. Sapon. Oh, on there, maybe.
Also, Uti or Hayes.
Media pen and doctor. Media
pen. Doctor, or a Madina.
Oh, okay.
Oba NDC, Amanu Kunsemua. Many Ubia, my father, my godfather.
Straight.
No two ways.
And you have a good godfather too.
Medasi.
Yeah.
Now,
Dr. Sapon, good morning.
Omanhene message say won so do one obetu. Na mpenyufo be hu say doctor appointment no ache.
Yes.
Nti no ye bese.
Me kra na no na me buso obi.
Last week me kan ho asem wa.
Na no na me buso obi say omo de ne ko ambassador na omo ye ne ball chairman o ba bia.
Yes, it is either one of these two, but unze ache.
But I say me say omo start
yes, one after the other. We know say
omo fan ko jam baby papa so.
Yes, we know say eduma pa why no asante na we mu.
Dr. Sapon.
You say by all means with crook or hook ebeba so. Name unze echa
na edwo.
Nti ebe srempenyufo ani di kwa so. Say ombehwe me papa na
omo
no masisi.
Cape Coast say Central Region omo see from kra.
Debi.
Okoye
Regional Minister
1 year.
Yes. But omo fani ni agro.
Crack.
Omo ma na hini ani na o.
Kumasi ya.
Esa eduma pa o ye.
KMB regional
yes.
Enti
doctor ye chewa na pe Nyankopon ntu nkwa no nti na ne mu nkyerɛw na onye okese.
Minim say ambassador and now say board chairman.
Of course.
Omanhene try no ni board chairman papa. To board be.
Omanhene say asem we una obeka bi abo esa say onne kwa chiri pa. Nti e be so wani dem.
Someone deserves a better institution as a
board.
Because on there
too much.
Me
yes.
You penny bi wa hu na.
Yes.
O fie nyansa.
Yes.
O suku nyansa.
Yes.
O de to ba bia o shine.
Yes.
Ebi mu di suku nyansa nko a.
Enenam.
Obi o di suku nyansa bobra e wo institution ya de ofeli. Here this young man. O de the picture to her.
Yeah, that's it.
Nice picture. Zuba bai.
Yeah.
O need 2 months.
Yes.
But me who fie nyansa wo Zuba.
Yes, he's changing the face of the metropolis.
See how say all the prison for.
Yes, and a year juma.
Prison for yi.
Moto na omudi dia mo nya hwe
no. Prison ho.
Enya asem kuma.
Bi apeso opie be prebi.
Yes.
Because hit all.
Enya asem.
You read do na say ye jaw ye do mo shem ni ye ka say wo kopra. And from that fa no ho no cry enough.
We okay. Yes.
Mewa, they are doing nothing.
Moreover no ba bonte onya chede.
Omo ba bonte omo de bibi kredi.
Very well.
Eti ama kumase sote.
Esot ehonte pa ehonte.
Mewa na kumase aye fi.
I choked.
Na yeah, but me your home. Apetape. Me say if you nyansa ni school nyansa kaboma. Amampani bia odi fi nyansa ni school nyansa bu man okonani.
Me dase.
To aso na yan
ko. Doctor, na ko pon nti na de moncho. Eye Omanhene issue a na ye deal with. Me minya MPP ni a odi ne hu ni a ya na me pese megu na ni mu ase. Esa papa was start here said you see kasa. I said he's very diligent person. I don't want to me person me na sa. Nemum the message say it ha. Especially say me no be program. Na be too futuro gu nipa ni mu. Me nyeni and say em say bibi kakra bi skip o. No wo ka say ye buy. Ya mfa nipa adwuma for 4 years. Na was no kra no was no 2012 13 14
okay no o say 2012 13 14 backlog and another be 5
very good now no wo ka say omo fa adwuma omo fa nipa adwuma even created 2.5 million jobs both direct and indirect. Omanhene yetifia we all know so data never lies.
That's right.
And then so what your mind in him now kase mutimi fa nipa dodo adwuma not yet the unemployment data indicates 14.4 now we can say that they say open say you day accept it that you did nothing. In fact napco mu bie napco adwuma efa mabunu adwuma over 100,000 ye wie napco mu wie ne say omangu no Omanhene Yaw.
That's right.
Omusika no omunche mutimi twa. When we are talking about employment and unemployment, know that you've goofed as a party. And until a day 14% no MIA. The issue of a year Nana a friend say Mamudu Baumia say or Pacho. Emudia here, a chow paddy here or de Maye as a country. A chow passe or Musa Yusuna as a flag bearer for their party. And a chow passe being a vice president and a chair to the economic management team, no, Oma Feliana, he has to be specific.
He says, and they did not do it right.
So
they got it wrong.
So we agree on that. And you may be no, and you may be no keke. And you may be. It's a good day na what feeling more remorseful. Is it the e-levy that they claim say, no say, on your journey? Okay? Is it the unemployment? Is it the increment of our standard of living? Is it that the economy no a dollar no a galloping to a certain 17 cities no? No ba abamu no to tuna no etimamu for say no ba arrested dollar no which was at 4.2 no or be arrested at the one safwa akoma IGP na. You cannot just say you are sorry when you are not ready to tell us what you are sorry about. Okay. So say otifie no biaba I say Omanhene Yaw sorry.
Sorry for what?
Sorry for what? That's the
question.
It could be something say we dimi bonedi, but boni no mudie hen as say ufi say ujai ana unye biu ana wa feel bad or you have to let us know. You don't just say sorry and go like that. Mamudu Baumia has been the worst performing candidate in this country. Moreover, he has been the worst performing country within their own party. You can do the cross check within their own party. Mamudu Baumia has been difficult to sell, even in their own party. Maybe hey, Adeakye now also Mamudu Baumia be flag bearer for my MPP. Me then me say me see abontia me to sra because yes I quite him. NDC besa win power easy.
Baumia be ambassador win
power. Oh, Omanhene, the very difficult product for you to sell in the market. Hey, Mamudu Baumia. Me say the very difficult and unwanted product. Oh, ton ne ton ye din. E wo ma we mu. E Mamudu Baumia. His craftsmanship, his intelligence, everything about Mamudu Baumia is the cheapest thing ever. Obia we flag bearer. So what kind statement from head to toe ube we na true. Obia ya admit say and throw away the even within their own party. When the fundamentals are wrong or they are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. We can quote it one after the other. Or Kotina simply so. A year, Sompa FM. Eka se waye Palugu Dam. Were you in this country? Oti, you the cameras called Palugu Dam, na no. Or coordination training, so or kwa ne campaign. When you went there, Lady Bako sorry catch and say, for some months, she has not received her allowance. Mamudu Baumia says he's not aware as a vice president of the country. My goodness. A vice president who is not abreast with the issues of the country.
But the same Mamudu Baumia and Governor of Bank points that now it has been able to cushion and giving strength to the dollar. The same
Mamudu Baumia, when they did well to maintain the reserve of gold, to cushion the economy, at that time, what was the rate of the dollar?
No, said no,
how can you just give them?
So the governor says the past 3 years that the XY government did a good job, so it has given strength to the dollar.
So let me explain. The governor is right. The governor is wrong on the other hand.
How?
He's right because yes, it is true. There was
from 8 tons to 31.
There was a good quantum of the gold reserve.
That's right.
That one is right. He's wrong in the sense that he should know, say, the inability for the gold to manifest in our exchange rate, Maumia didn't do well. You should say that as well. Okay. Because many can say, so what do we reserve from 8 to 30 metric tons of gold at the Maumia? Now still we are crippling when it comes to the exchanger. Then what did you do? And I say, even with our 1 ton increment,
2.5 billion.
You get it. And again, how do, and again,
but is it not a knee-jerk reaction?
No. And again,
be sustained.
Omanhene, you have to build a trust. You don't have a reason not to trust NDC.
Okay.
You don't have it. Then you can think of that. But at this material moment, you don't have a reason to doubt NDC. Because the entire makers are say, with 1 metric ton addition, look at what we have done. The can say, we will not allow any licensed dealer to export our gold and go and sell and keep the dollar by himself.
It has to go.
It has to go through the gold board. When the gold board, say gold board, then you will be paid in cedis. It is a gold board, cotton gold, no in cash now, $1 now. He reverted back to the Bank of Ghana. So there must be a stability. Okay. The mathematics is clear. There must be a stability.
Thank you, my main the Franks Hotel for what someone chose this year. The Franks Hotel, a standard class hotel. We give royal treat to our customers. Share breakfast. We give free breakfast from early morning, free Wi-Fi. Your executive rooms, standard rooms, normal rooms. Hotel be on my restaurant, about 10 or my pound. Utimi cop, Pierre cop, Nana Jube 1, Ubebana come to. The Franks Hotel, Ube do 1 a.m. crowd per the annual restaurant. We run 24 hours. Me say won koda hotel ma de common day wan ajoda na wo pensuanum kra wunya ye say restaurant no yapon enye the France ye was spacious car park a betima park ye wo bar and afen so wo be say wo ye wedding and reception no other event wo be hu the France ye be ma wo kwan na ye ne wadi nkita ho for reservation and bookings kindly call us on 0549 582-099 0549-582-099 and 0595-371-597 0595-371-597 and 0549-582-099. Brother, Mami Brown chain. Now on a quick $1. Remember Naso. Yes.
NDC for a massimi of Mokan. So good for oil policy when they buy.
Bow me.
Yes, and you're good for oil.
Okay, see here, Mokaya. So trade war. So see $1. So only here, Donald Trump at the Abia was a 10%. Yes, before we to media
China 35.
So
now see on my review.
To see how the matter say China for cross or say Donald Trump will review on the and said $1. I said $1 you hear we are saying grandma is winning now $1 ya need BBB. So for now, me no can say, Adeakye Abia ben pan and this bar power. What to me this kabuti bi aye den aya. Ama ye hu say see away the Ghana for.
I said market confidence can even check $1.
Maybe I chawo. So see I could just
Abia. Agama sonom ni ade no. O man peni your mama buy no. There is investor confidence. And no credit because now Fitch and Bloomberg,
yes,
they are giving Ghana a good rating. Now they say Ghana's currency is the best for performing in the world.
Yes. Before elections, these projections were there already. And
how was it?
No, I must say the TBA no. Ghana's economy. I know they know. And one making those steps, One to make us a 3 months so by we initiate any apart from gold. And if I report on Edda so that honum, Meno Casemini would be a dance here. Fetch at the better Bloomberg at the better honum. Set 2025 Ghanaians economy will grow faster. But yes, here. So see how many to I can say. So CD Agina and I appreciate $1. Me pa choko market ya any boy et say. $1 no, see yes, you can first, yes, you need $1. And as a $1 and may Adriana. Maybe such see your mind in a woody way. You trap on 40 Ghana cities.
You see how the food inflation was through.
And non sway. Oh, can $1 a more, ye boy a basso. Ye the city near Tad, dear. Cement and near Tony saying
130.
Maybe I chop plywood ye Tony saying.
And they mean we say.
Very well.
But iron rods so swat.
Maybe I try no be an ye can. Now no as a man no more cast a clink idea cement and a man near my cement hiding a shorting. Maybe so. Banting so and so ye imported.
Ye too.
Maybe I chop baby tomatoes are you near Sammy Jamfi Gina. Simple so SYZ need your can't home. So 7,000 per box on the CCA. They know you tomato back. 5 Ghana cedis. Garden Dex. This had the near my head. Ye can want some. 5 Ghana cedis. Ye market. So what they are saying?
You cry and a body cry 10
back 10 cedis. Make us say, come on, you referee.
I will say seasonal.
Oh, me patcho. Say see how they seasonal. Na no mo na say Ghana MPP abani import body free Ivory Coast edeba. Ana to see how they you nim say seasonal. Say the uni akon ho dia say emu ha na da akon ho dia emu. You see propaganda wo dey here dey baby e be say aba be chill back because me tobi wo tobi. Enti duru baby a ye man okre saska we a ye kan wa say by the close of the year city e be say atiato from bio. We are aware.
Is it your prediction?
No. That is what we are saying. Sanet here because dollar now can was saying when you get in our economy. Okay, say 2016. Yeah, mommy, we boni dinja. This are the so. Now every day be for $20,000 and share Ghana economy. Okay. Sabre no. Omujina it me said they be a city betting ya de ejina samu and no be because they have not done any massive expenditure and what Ghana hanum and I must see no enya hode because you see how they want to be in never be in America because of adena dia beto one and media is too early some be jubilate because some will be kan ya na ya mesre kra ne say yes Sami Jamfi at the gold board na or performing magic from 1957 and near gold reserves here 8.7 so 2022-2023, you about me the gold for oil policy buyer. A pejaya reserves from up to
8 to 31.
8 to 31. Now we are checks, Now from now I am buy at least munyanya 2 million cra and fanka home. So now we are just ending of last month and I'll be through the year. I can't give the actual figure. But I make us say, Minia, baby, or more kika kono. See what no. So my hope when you be a could do baby. No real one cast in the bitches. So I made the man who see no. Mr. Maminsia Unimunyam Fui, Nadaroma, and a Namsoa.
Chiano quickly.
The Bach Honorable Inokunyako.
Honorable Inokunyako.
German or parliamentary candidate immediate a year. Abrantiano said ye Usibua party with German of. And a home brass.
Honorable Inokunyako. Yeah, that was say. Raman, then I'll catch up to.
Open the issue of food inflation. Let's check. When was the highest food inflation in the country? It was under your government. And in Miane Boye D. Yana enye kasa de bebre. It was under your government. And the food inflation, a jump to a certain 25%. Skyrocketing. And on a day, and on a day, Samerino, now auto and wo, aye, no Ghana. So they are now referred to by Boakye and wo from 10 cities to 70 cities. Moma ben ma ban mu ana ma pencil ana tomatoes baako sei e call 5 cedi enya ye afa ne aba saa dede yo kese na e course no e moma bre nti no say bia na bo enye nsi fom a don't let it look as if ye na ye pejam e mu na ma pejam afa na ye try say be si fom in fact e si fom because the only mechanism spearheading the increment of food petrol fuel because the carriage eba. Now we are saying we are very happy to announce to you so petrol per liter is today 12.37 per liter. It's
a Friday.
Yes, we are hoping adia beche na eso bete more. Openye de beche what I say. Intino say and then you ma esi for more. Know that a besi for more. And so who come a friend say cement one. Let me say he didn't hear say cement is now 82, and we are hoping. Yeah, it's going. We have cement. They have reduced a certain from 130 to 82 cedis. We are yet to announce. We have announced it. We are yet to implement them. Cement.
I free 130
from 130. It is coming down to 82. It has been announced.
Okay.
We'll do a check. Yeah, can't say. Even iron rods, it was 9,400 and 8,600. Nti nyoma bo oba form. Nti gradually
but
gradual process.
So by June, Ghanaians should expect a reduction in all prices. All right. Mamina Eric Debier, MBB Communication Director, German North, and Abdul Rahman, MBB Communication Team Member, Asante Mantewa. Bidi Omanhene Yaw Boakye, Ye Pejemu Ama Emba.